Hey guys, I got a product right down here I'm excited to show you. This is the Ortho Home Defense Mosquito Kill and Prevent. What this does is it kills the larvae when the mosquito lay their eggs down here, and when the mosquitoes go and leave, it also takes a poison that kills the mosquito at other locations. So not only is this going to kill the mosquito in your yard, it's going to kill the mosquitoes that fly off and go to other places like in your neighbor's pot, pool, wherever. I spent my own money on this. I'm excited to be able to show you how it works, give you a demo, see if it's worth the money. And so we're going to unbox it, go over everything right here. This is the kit. I believe it comes with it contains two refill bands. Not every kit contains a certain number of refill bands. Some only contain one, some contain two, some contain four. So if you're looking at it, you're doing like price shopping, trying to compare, like figure out why this one costs more than the other one, that's why. It has to do with the refill bands. I think a refill band lasts about 1 month with the tablets, and that gets you, I think it's about $20, and that gets you about a month of protection. So we're going to unbox this right now. I'll set it down here, show you what's in it. First things first, it says that you're supposed to wear gloves while you do this. Of course, it's super humid today. So, welcome to the summertime in the South, where the humidity is just unreal. I'll probably not be able to get these off. It's going to be so funny later, because I'm going to sweat in here and they're just going to be stuck. So we got our instructions. Refill kit number 1 that has the band, tablets, and powder in the refill package. It's got a little easy tear. Kit number 2. So this gives us 2 months together. We have our top dial. This is where you're going to set it. So it's going to help remind you. You're going to set it to the current month, and that's going to let you know when it's time to replace it. The lid to the trap. We have the float ring. It's going to go down into this trap, and here's the trap. It's kind of small and cute. Holds about 1 gallon of water. Right down here, maybe kind of hard to see on camera, but there's a max fill on. So what you're going to do, you're going to fill this with water. Then you're going to add the tablet and powder, and then you're going to put the band on the float. You're going to float it in there, and then you're going to take the lid, put the lid on, put this on to remind you when to change it, and you're going to set it out in the shady spot, maybe in your bushes, up under a tree, somewhere the mosquitoes are going to go to lay their eggs. So this should be an ideal location to attract the mosquitoes. Like I said, we're going to put out here, we're going to let it go for a month. We're going to let you know how it works, give you a review, see if we notice less mosquitoes. Okay, so we're going to show you how to put this together. We've got our bucket. We're going to take it and pour our gallon of water in it. And then we are going to get our refill station. This contains the band and the tablets. So we're going to crack this open. There's definitely a powder in there besides just that. Here's the band that goes on top. So we're going to take all of this and we're going to just pour it down in there. Got a tablet that's stuck in the top of here. That's kind of a downside if you can't get all the stuff out. There it goes. Got the tablet out now. So now you have this float that's going to go in the top. Has these little clips on this ring. These little clips are going to lock in. It's also a little side clip to hold it. Now you got your float ring. So you're going to take the float ring. So it's going to go straight down in there. Now we're going to take our lid here. I'm going to snap that in place. And so now you got your little dial indicator. You're going to set this for the month. So now it's the 1st of June. So we're going to go ahead and set this so it says 6. I believe that's correct. As always, follow the instructions. Make sure you read them. That way you've got the full information. You know everything that you need to do. But I believe it's supposed to be the 6th to remind us that's the month that we put it in, not the month that we're going to change it. But I could be wrong on that. That's going to lock in, hold the lid. So once we have the whole thing put together, you can see it's got the opening right here. Then mosquitoes are going to fly in and out, the float ring, and the piece on top. We're going to give it about a month, see if we notice less mosquitoes. We're going to go set this out in the bushes here in just a few minutes. Leave a little treat for them. Hopefully there's a lot less mosquitoes in the yard. Please make sure to follow along for more. Thanks. Bye.